This is Naveen here. I work at realtor.com as a staff machine learning engineer. And today I'm going to talk about code migration, and I'll be off the stage before you know it. Uh, we have done a big migration recently. So we have moved from Metaflow to Outerbounds, a managed platform, thanks to Savin. We have utils in monorepo. We have moved to Artifactory, AWS legacy account, which was an acquisition. We moved to compliant account. So for this, we've used code, coordination, and probably Claude. So let me talk about how we did it. So the first step is static analysis of the entire code base. So we have used AST plus some AI-generated code to analyze the code, and we have come up with a migration blueprint. So it looks like, okay, what kind of library versions are used? What kind of interfaces do we have in the code base? So things like that. We have done a detailed analysis and created a blueprint for migration. So that's the first step. And then from here, the next step was creating an entire code generation pipeline. So the key thing is prompt creation. So for prompting, one is context. You need to provide good context, and which we derive using AST again, and some AI-generated code to derive the right chunks of code to be in the context. And then we also have collective know-how from the team, putting that together, giving to Claude. It generates code, and then it reviews it as well. But we don't trust it enough, so we have a human reviewer. That's why I highlight that. That's the most key important piece in this, not AI. The human reviewer is the most important piece. And then we get the final artifact. So the whole process is always under human supervision. With this, we are able to make 90 flows being migrated, 90 batch jobs, and about 30,000 lines of code was translated. And we have saved a bunch of dollars in the process because we saved the effort it needs to build it. And what did we learn? Context-driven AI is a thing, not magic. And human oversight is very important. And if you detect patterns, then you can expand that to platforms. So we did code, coordination, and Claude coordination. Thank you, everyone.